music is my thing. So on my way back from my sets, I listen to a lot of music, and for me, unwinding is just being with myself, and my thoughts, and spending time with myself. And as I said that some people वो जो है वो बहाना देते हैं कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता है वर्कआउट करने का या जिम जाने का या फिर अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखने का. सो आई जस्ट हैव टू से वन थिंग यार कि अगर आप दिन में 12 घंटे काम कर रहे हो पैसे कमाने के लिए, तो you should understand that money is not gonna last. Only your health is going to last. So if you're giving 12 hours for money, career, future, it's just 1 hour for your body which is going to take you there, not money. Tomorrow if you have a cholesterol problem and your heart stops beating, no matter how much money you have, it's not going to help you. So 12 घंटे में से 1 घंटा please अपनी body को दो. For me, I can never follow a ritual as I said, because like for example in Mubaraka, if you've seen Mubaraka, I am huge in that film. So I had to be a Punjabi NRI who's big and he's strong, क्योंकि वो दिखता इतना है, because he had, so that's the kind of character. And immediately after that, I was playing somebody who's from the 1920s, a pianist, an artist, and artists are not huge, so suddenly from 95 I had to come down to 85. So my genetics also is very different. So for me, I can never follow a routine, I can never follow a particular sort of regime. I have to keep changing according to my goals कि मेरे को next क्या करना है. So I change accordingly, but I always listen to my body. It's very important to listen to your body and not your trainer. I mean, yeah, listen to your trainer, but how does a trainer know कि आपकी body कैसे react करने वाली है एक particular diet को या एक particular exercise को? You have to listen to your body. You have to see what works on you, and nobody will ever tell you that. So take it seriously, and you'll know what I'm talking about. But I am just saying that पैसा कमाना जितना ज़रूरी है, नाम कमाना जितना ज़रूरी है, उतना ही इस वेसल को साफ सुथरा रखना भी ज़रूरी है. And I'm saying, if you're lazy or if you don't have time, if you don't get the energy, at least walk after you eat. It's very simple. अच्छा मैं कहता हूँ खाना खाने के बाद अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को फ़ोन कर लिया करो और ब्लूटूथ पे लगा के चल लिया करो. I climbed 11 stories 11 times every day. So that's 121 stories up and 121 stories down. And I think I'm quite busy in life, but that's no excuse. इस interview से पहले I did that. So I live on the 11th floor. So 0 to 11 times up and down, and that's 121 into 2. That's like how many? Sorry, बहुत ज़्यादा हो. But that's what I do. So it can't be an excuse. So what I do is I use my Bluetooth device, and my earphones are connected to my phone as well. So जितने भी friends से बात करनी है, जिसके साथ आप हफ्ते बात कर सकते हो, like you can't talk to your boss or to your business person, so talk to your family. It kind of becomes a ritual. So मैं अपनी sisters को और अपनी mom dad को जो US में उस time पे phone करता हूँ जब मैं भाग रहा होता हूँ, तो मेरे को फिर दिल भी करता है भागने का, क्योंकि then that's one time. So एक ही तीर से 2 निशाने हैं. So I'm saying अपने ये Bluetooth earphones पहनो और जाओ, पार्क चले जाओ, बीच पे चले जाओ, कहीं भी चले जाओ, चलो फिरो कूदो फांदो, and do something with it which gives you happiness. I don't, as I said, I don't stick to any one thing. I know yoga is very, very important and people swear by it. I have experimented with a lot of things like Pilates. मेरी girlfriend मुझे ज़बरदस्ती ले गई थी और मैं पहले नहीं गया था कि क्या है. But then I realized it's very, very important, and it was made for the army people, and it's really good. So I keep mixing and matching. So I sometimes I do strength training, then I would go for an MMA class, or I would want somebody to train me in something. अच्छा कभी मेरा दिल करता है तो मैं खेलना शुरू कर देता हूँ. So I keep shocking my body. So when I keep shocking my body, I get good results. I really think you should. I think I belong to a doctor's family, and you know, it's easier. It's always much easier to prevent something from happening than sitting there and saying, "Ki shit, now what do we do?" You know. So I think regular checkups is a must. Keeping healthy is a must, and as I said, body is a vessel that is going to take you where you want to. I mean, you want to be a rich businessman or a successful actor, and if your body is not ready for it, it's not going to happen. So, you know, worship your body, and yes, preventive measures are very important. You must have one family doctor, and you must keep getting your checks done every couple of months. And I think I should also do it myself. I'm very bad at it. I would say that, you know, keeping active is very important. So for me, monotony doesn't work, and I'm sure it doesn't work for you as well. So when you say that I don't like going to the gym, then I'll say do what you like doing.